Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting work. Make a full backup or spin up a staging site so changes won't break production. Next, choose a theme compatible with your WordPress and PHP versions. This prevents plugin conflicts. Then upload and activate the theme, and immediately set up a child theme so custom changes survive updates. Once done, install any recommended plugins. These often provide required functionality. Make sure to confirm theme settings. Page appears before moving on. You now apply design and structure. Open the customizer and set logo, colors, and header options so branding matches. If demo content exists, import it to speed layout. Then assign menus, widgets, and the homepage template so navigation behaves correctly. Adjust typography and responsive settings so the site looks consistent across devices. Also enable performance features, image sizes, lazy loading, and basic caching because fast pages improve conversions. Once configured, preview on desktop and mobile. You finish by testing every interactive element. Check links, contact forms, menus, and cross-browser rendering. Measure speed and resolve any bottlenecks. When satisfied, remove unused plugins, enable automated backups, and create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. If something breaks, enable WP debug and review error logs, disable recent plugins to isolate conflicts, and revert child theme changes if necessary. One key tip: switch to a default theme to quickly determine if the problem is theme-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.